Hey BFFs, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aaliyah Simone Style, you already know. And I'm coming to you today with a hair review. This is for the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Mask. You guys, I have to be honest with you, I have not been a subscriber to Garnier and their products before. I was really nervous about actually trying this out on my natural hair texture. If I'm being completely honest, I've always associated this brand with a finer texture, you know what I'm saying? So I was very, very shocked to realize that when I was in the shower and working with it, it was actually super smooth on my hair. It actually had a lot of smoothing properties, and I was very, very stunned. It's probably been on my hair right now for a matter of, I would just say, about 20 minutes. And as you can see, it's kind of like drying in my hair right now. So I'm just going to show you what my process looks like when I'm in the shower and how I apply it. So on my wet hair, I actually go ahead and section off one part. As you can see, like that backside right there where I'm about to go for, it's like almost completely dry. So I don't know if that's because of this product. So I still have, I'm trying to show you all, I still have a little bit in here. I didn't wash it out. It just seems like it kind of like dried down inside of my hair. So this raking motion that I'm doing right now, it's actually a technique that I learned from going to the Diva Curl Academy. And I like to just take my fingers and just lightly rake any product through. Sometimes I do this even without product, just with water, just to go ahead and detangle my hair. So I'm gonna go and open up a little bit so you can see what it looks like. It has this putty type of texture to it, and that's also another reason why I didn't know how it was going to work on my hair, because of the puttiness of it. And I normally do better with products that have a little bit of slip, but to my surprise, this does have slip. It has a really great amount of slip. I'm gonna concentrate the product really in that back area where it looks kind of like dry and frizzy. So right in there. And I like to just make sure I'm going from root to tip, because my hair also sucks up moisture. Anything like water, like my hair drinks. Like, you remember that that movie with that Venus flytrap, and it was like drinking all the blood? I compare my hair to that. Like, my hair drinks up anything. Water, oil, moisturizer, it will just drink it right up. And it's not because it's dry. I know that's the common misconception. It's just that my hair eats a lot. And as you can see, it definitely grows when it eats, like just like the rest of our body does. But my goodness, my hair definitely likes to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit more on there and really just smooth it out into the rest of that section. Smooth and rake. So we're just gonna continue on with that motion. I'm gonna go, let's do another section. And as previously stated, this is the second layer of product. So I'm just gonna go ahead with a little in my hand and smooth and rake. And I did detangle my hair in the shower. I'm gonna tag the actual products I use to detangle my hair, because there's a detangling brush that has really just been a life changer for me that I've been using. So I am going to go ahead and tag that, and the Cantu comb. I'll tell you this, out of all my years of having natural hair, wide tooth combs, you know, obviously I've gone through a million of them, but this comb from Cantu, it's about something about how it's made. It is really lovely. Like, it just glides through my curls. So I'll do a full wash day so you guys can see, but this one is actually just about the Garnier mask. Okay, I'm gonna take that little section, and as you can see also, it's kind of like even defining my curls a bit. Like, you see that? And I was gonna, honestly, y'all, I was gonna blow dry my hair, but now that my curls are popping like this, I might just, shoot, she might be curly. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Okay, and then let's go off to this other section here. So as you can see, my ends are ready for a trim, just in the front really, because you can see it looks a bit weighed down. So luckily it is the holiday season, and my auntie is my favorite hairstylist, and I will tag her in this video as well. Her name is Honeybee Hair, and she is the owner of Honeybee Hair Studios in South Carolina. Okay, so you definitely, if you're in the South Carolina area, you want to hit her up because she will get you all the way together, honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the rest of this, smooth it in the entire. You see? What did I just say? My hair drinks. Look at that. Dry already. My hair be drinking up stuff. Oh, that's really from this section. Okay, but still, she be drinking. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist and pin her up like so. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna do that off camera. So according to the packaging, this damage repair mask actually acts as a mask, as a regular conditioner, and as a leave-in conditioner. It has 98% naturally derived ingredients, which I love because I really feel the difference when I'm using natural and organic products on my hair rather than when I'm using more products that have a lot of chemicals and sulfates and silicones in it. I know that my hair feels a little bit more luxurious when I'm using a product that actually has those natural properties in it. So I really do like this so far. And then it looks like also it says that it's a vegan formula and 94% biodegradable formula as well. So a lot of good properties in this. So far I'm honestly shocked because I didn't know what it was giving, but I'm so happy that it is a really, really great product so far. So I'm gonna wash it out. It does say 1 minute, you know, I'm leaving it on for longer. I'm going to wash it out in a little while, and probably I'm gonna leave it on for another 20 minutes. I'm gonna put a cap on and I'll be back. Okay, y'all, it's been about 20 minutes and now it's the moment of truth. Let's see how my hair feels. Wow. Okay, I'm honestly shocked. Like, my hair feels very, very, very lightweight. Ooh, girl, it feels good in here. My hair feels really lightweight. It feels really moisturized. It feels like I put like a butter on top of it or something, and I haven't even put a leave-in. Like right now, this is just my hair freshly washed. When I just rinsed out the stuff, and it's great. Obviously, it's frizzy right now because I towel dried it, so obviously I am gonna go ahead and blow dry the hair out because I towel dried already. But honey, it's giving, and I really do feel that moisturizing feeling in my hair from root to tip. So I'll be back when I'm blow dry and we'll see the luster and shine it gives me. Hey guys, welcome back. It is the second day and I have gone ahead and given myself a bit of a silk press with that Garnier hair mask, and I have to say that I'm loving it. My hair is just as lightweight and as bouncy as it was when I got out of the shower. It's got a lot of volume, a lot of body to it. I went ahead and blow dried it out and then I straightened it, and I personally love it. I think it looks great, and I'm giving this a 5 out of 5-star rating. I was not expecting this to come out of this mask, and I'll also share the specs as far as the pricing goes. So I actually bought them at CVS, and I believe it was a deal for like 2 for $5. So I got this for like a super cheap price for the fact that There are no parabens or sulfates or silicones. I really love this product, so I'll definitely be using it in my weekly wash and go treatment that I do for my hair, and I will keep you guys updated. Stay tuned for more product reviews.